Hey guys, welcome to another quick video. Koa here. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Mode Aurora Hackathon, which is a developer challenge where you are invited to build centralized application using the Mode tech stack. And it's going to be a very pretty fun one because we have got the previous hackathon we organized. We had like very interesting submissions, and this one we expect to see more. So this video is meant to just walk you through the entire like requirements, submission, and everything, so you can have an overview and where to find resources if you need one. Let's get right into it. So, like I said, Model Hackathon is a developer challenge, right? And it draws inspiration from other hackathons and collaborates. It's more like think about the big hackathon and just reduce it by scale, but we still want all the fun and the vibe that comes with other grand scale hackathon. And you are expected to build with the Mode tech stack and use all the tools in the ecosystem that Mode is currently involved with, partnering, Ionic, and all those things. So the very place to submit is you're going to sign up here, you're going to get a submission form to do these things. And a very simple one-liner about what you're supposed to do is create an open source app utilizing Mode's tech stack. That's it. That's what we need you to do, and it runs between March 20th to April 10th. Today is March 27th, March 26th. So you have about a week, 2 weeks extra to get in to grab some of the prize awarded to these categories. And the number of things is saying to deploy your project and use GitHub. So it has to be public because we're talking about open source. It has to be public. Everybody has to be able to see your code and see what's going on there. And you must submit on the designated platform, which is currently Typeform. There's a form that you're going to use to submit, and it's going to be provided to you. So what are the rules to this hackathon? Yeah, submissions, and it must be open source, using whatever tech stack you like, but it must be using the Mode tech stack, and it must you should share your article on Hex and a Webcaster, and you can tag Mode Network, and because we want to also share these things that you're making. And we also invite projects that have been selected into the monthly demo day that Mode will start starting from April 4th. That will be interesting to see you and your project getting the spotlights that you guys deserve. So let's talk about the very thing that we've been waiting for. What exactly are the prizes and what are the things you can get to win, right? So we have categories: the best mini game, the best governance, the best metric tools, the best on-chain tool, and the best social file app. And all are awarded the grand prize of 1,000 USDT. This is amazing, and this is something that you and your team can get into, get the spotlight, get part of your optimism superchain thing. And these categories do have a little bit of nuances. Let's walk through them one by one. So for the mini game, build something fun, really small and on-chain. The game does not have to be a betting app. You feel free to shock the team, to shock the judges. Best governance. Like it's more whatever you in this category, you can build something that allows you to vote, something that allows you to, so maybe a DAO can come in here or something, I don't know. So the best metric tools, you use Gold Sky. Like I said, we're interested in seeing you involve and integrate all the ecosystem apps that are currently on Mode. So use Gold Sky and get data and display that properly, find interface and things like that, make it work, very functional. And best on-chain tool, whatever tool that allows you to do things on chain, maybe simplify utility and all those things. We want to see that too. Pretty surprises. And then best social file app that allows you to mix between social media and finance and deal with financial mechanics of all these things to attract, degenerate. Just do them, right? So for the criteria for evaluation, let's look at that. So want to see product thinking. How well have you thought about it, and how well is it going to be usable in the real world, and is it complete the features? We're not going to see you build the craziest, the next Uniswap in the short period of time, but something that you can use and that can be relied upon that is complete in the form of the which you've said it is complete, right? And also want to see good looking applications that have proper UI UX look and color usage and all those things. Want to see good clean code, like put some thought into the way you structure your code and make it look as good as it can be in a short period of time that we have. So it must be comprehensible. Don't just talk all big words. One of the problems that apps is having, that 3 is having, is don't find it difficult to understand. Don't be that person. Yeah, try to use English, simple words that people can actually understand what your app is doing and participate, right? And then you must use Mode. Mode is central to the functioning of that project. Then it's good. If Mode is part of what makes the implementation successful, then it's good. How many and how well have the different mode features been leveraged? Look at all the things that are features in the SFS. We have all the things that's currently going on, the moving money around the loop and all those things. Have you been able to find a way to use all these things? That is very good. So if you have any question, there's always the Discord community for you to join. I'm going to leave all the links somewhere in the description. I'm also going to put it on, if I'm posting this on Twitter, you also see the link there. And then very high overview questions. Participation fee? No, you don't have to pay anything to enter the hackathon. Mode Aurora is free. How many winners be selected? Selected by the mode team. There's really no information there. So, can I build more than one project? Yes, you can build for all categories. You can build 100, you can build 20, you can build 1,000. Just build, right? Are there prizes? Yes, there are prizes. You receive $1,000 for every project that gets selected. And you can participate in a team, and you'll be whatever you'll be paid after the hackathon, after you've been announced as a winner. There's a whole process to do that. I'm sure to be announced to the winner during the process when it's time to get the prizes. And then, yes, can you submit a project you've already been working on? Yes, as long as you initiated it between the time frame of the hackathon. And you can also submit the ones that you've been doing before, because it's now tricky, because I saw that there was a just submit project I've been working on. Interesting. All right, so mode submission template is here. I'm going to share this site so that you can see, be able to access it and check out these things yourself. All right. And a good place to start learning on how to build on mode is the documentation. We have the docs.mode.network, where you can find how to deploy multi-sig wallets, tools, and all those things. You can get everything here, and also be able to find the access to the resources that will allow you to participate in the hackathon. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for paying attention. And this is all about the Mode Aurora hackathon. I hope to see your submissions and see all the awesome things you built. Until next time, I'm Cora. You good. Ciao.